Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And today for our Saturday evening meal, we're going to have this Atlantic salmon. And we bought this over at Aldi's yesterday. And we've cooked salmon before, but we normally bake it. And this time we're going to cook it in the skillet. And we're going to give it a try and see how we like it. And I'm hoping this will get it open. I've never bought this particular package before. Yeah, that cut it open. My hands are good and clean. Okay, let me throw this away. Okay. One of our viewers told us to cook it this way, so we're going to put some salt on here and some pepper. And then I'm going to turn it over. Let me get a fork and do the other side. More just stick, didn't it? Okay, there we go. Turn it over and put some salt and pepper on this side. And I've already got butter in the skillet here heating up. Go ahead and turn it to about medium heat. And okay, I'm going to cut it about right there. Okay. And I'm going to drop these two pieces in. Okay, and let me wash my hands one more time. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of Italian seasoning to the top of it, not much. And she recommended letting it cook for about 6 minutes on each side, and I'm just going to keep a close watch on it. And while it's cooking, we're going to go ahead and finish up. Marie's got her salads just about ready to go over here. And the baked potatoes they like 3 minutes, don't they? So we're going to have a good meal here in just a few minutes. So we'll come back to you when this gets done. Okay, first you want to wash your potatoes and dry them. Then I'll take a knife and I'll put 3 holes in each side of the potatoes. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on the potatoes. Rub the olive oil in real good. Add some salt and pepper. Okay, I'm going to use a paper towel and roll them up real tight in a paper towel. Twist the ends. Okay, I'll put both of these in the microwave for anywhere from 9 to about 12 minutes until they're good and soft. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this over. That piece sure does look pretty. And that one does too. Okay, we'll give it somewhere between 3, 4, maybe 6 minutes on this side. We'll keep a close eye on it. Marie's working on our baked potatoes. They're almost done. So we'll be ready to eat when this gets through. Those sure do look good, don't they, Marie?
Yes, they do.
Okay, I think the timer just went off. Cut that off. I'm going to get this thinner piece, and I think it is done, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Put it right there. And Marie is getting the piece that's a little bit thicker, and it's still got a little bit of pink in the middle, so I'm going to let it cook for maybe another minute or two till we know it's completely done all the way through. So we got our salads ready, tea is ready, baked potatoes are ready, and we're ready to eat. Just waiting on one more piece of salmon. Also, she said to be sure and put a little lemon juice on there. So I'm going to pour me just a little bit of lemon juice on here. Okay. These are those big jars of lemon juice that we buy at Sam's. So they are big. They last a long time, don't they?
Yes.
Okay, we'll be back with you shortly here. Okay, I think Marie's piece is done. I just checked it with digital thermometer, and it was a little bit over 145. So that should be done. And put it right there. Marie's going to put real lemon juice on hers. Okay, Marie, that looks great, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do a taste test.
All right.
Yeah, I can't wait to try it, Marie, and see how it tastes. And I know the potatoes good because we've had those baked potatoes many times. And we did make some rice to put the salmon on. That lemon gives it good flavor. Sort of surprised. How's yours, Marie?
It's very good.
I like it. This will be good and healthy too, won't it, Ray?
It's as good to me as you get at Longhorn.
I've never had salmon at Longhorns. Have you had it there? It's
It's
good.
really good. I want to try yours and see how it tastes with that lemon juice.
Go ahead.
It's so tender you can't even pick it up. It's good both ways.
Is it good? Let me get one piece of your thicker salmon here. I hadn't had a piece of the real thick. Mine was thin. It tastes the same, and like I can't tell the difference in lemon juice either. It tastes the same to me. Okay, that's very good. I might should have bought a bigger piece, Marie. But I enjoyed it very much. We just on taste testing, I ate a third of it, didn't I? But it's very good. We love it, and we'll be making this again. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching us make this salmon. We've done salmon quite a few times, but we usually do it baking it in the oven.
Yeah.
This is the first time we've done it on a skillet. But I'm satisfied with it, and I like that good grilled taste to it. And we did put Italian seasoning on it. Now, we've never done that before, have we? And so,
No.
but it did, I can taste it. It is good. Okay, y'all have a great day. We'll see you on our next video. I think Marie's going to make a dessert for next video, but she could change her mind. We'll see, won't we, Marie?
Yeah. Okay, so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. And y'all have a great day. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall.